Today, we will introduce how to use our stainless steel glove box B type. This is the smallest one of this type. At present, we have already installed the gloves. On the right, there is a light button. After the light is powered on, it can be officially opened. Now let's take a look at our gas inlet valve. There is a set of gas inlet and gas outlet valve on the main chamber. There is also a set of gas inlet and outlet valve on the antechamber. These three gas valves have the same specification. The interface uses the pipe with a diameter of 6.5. How to connect the gas inlet valve? Firstly, unscrew the nut of gas inlet. After unscrewing, we pay attention to this direction. Quiet the nut on the pipe through this direction. Unscrewing the pipe on with a little force. After screwing it on, tighten the nut. You can use a wrench to make it tighter. The gas inlet and outlet valve size of the antechamber are the same as the gas inlet valve size. This is the gas outlet valve of the main chamber. The specification of the gas outlet and inlet valve are different. Its outer diameter of the gas outlet valve is 15. It can be connected to a metal hose if conditions permit. The pipe can connect to the fume hood or outdoor. Now screwing the nut of the antechamber's gas inlet valve. Quiet the nut on the pipe. Screw the pipe on with a little force. And then tighten it up. You can use a wrench like this to make it tighter. We can cut the pipe that connected to the gas inlet valve of the main box according to our needs. We generally recommend putting it under the antechamber. The gas inlet valve of the main box and the one of the antechamber are connected together through a three-way valve at the end. This is a three-way valve that prepared with products. This is the third end of the three-way valve that connect to the gas cylinders. This is our vacuum pump. First step is to refuel. We add oil to the check mark. Secondly, remember to open the cover. The third step is to unscrew the connector. You can see there is a connector like this in the random delivery. Screw it on. Because it connects to the air pipe. And then use a wrench to screw it tighter. Connect the air pipe and the pipe connect to the gas outlet valve of the antechamber. Then we will proceed to the operation of the box. In fact, the glove box operation is divided into two parts. The first is the gas replacement of the box. The second part is the use of the antechamber. Let's first tell you about the replacement of the box. Due to the main chamber of the glove box B-type cannot evacuate, only gas replacement can be performed. So first we open the gas inlet valve. Due to the main box has pressure, we do not recommend opening the gas inlet valve all. Can be opened to half the position. Open the outlet valve at the same time. The pressure of the air cylinders of this glove box is below 0.3 megapascals per. What kind of pressure is good for the glove box? The best condition is when the gloves are bulging up. The most important difficulty is how to balance the pressure inside the box. Reflecting pressure balance through the condition of gloves. We can adjust the size of intake and outlet valves manually. If customer wants to be more accurate, it is recommended to choose our fully automatic pressure controller. Clients also often have a question, how long did I replace it? It's about the 30 minutes. If you want a higher demanding environment, for example, a lower oxygen and moisture value, we recommend extending the duration of this replacement. If the client wants to know precisely the oxygen and moisture value, it is recommended to choose some of our water displays and oxygen displays. Or it's too troublesome to operate manually like this, you can choose our fully automatic pressure controller, humidity controller, or oxygen controller. How to use the transition compartment of the glove box. Firstly, open the side door. There is a corresponding tray in our box. After putting the materials in, we close the door. Tighten it. Notice that before vacuum, make sure both the inner and outer doors are closed at the same time. At this point, we can turn on the vacuum pump and start vacuum. Open the gas outlet valve. At this point, we can now open the inlet valve. Our pressure value from -0.1 back to L.